Hello, and welcome to History 132, American History 2. Whether you're in either section of my History 132 seated class or online class, this is going to be the same platform and the same look in both classes. So let's get started. This is a brief introduction to navigating Blackboard, which I hope you will find helpful and help you be successful in this course. Blackboard defaults for our class onto the announcements page. On this page, you will find general course information as I send it out. For example, if there are changes to the syllabus, if we have cancellations, if there are new due dates for assignments, all of that kinds of information will be found here. If there is a problem and I need to contact you directly on a personal issue, I will contact you via the CPCC email address. Please look at the tabs on your left. Announcements, Your Instructor, Course Information, Weekly Folders, Discussion Board, My Grades, My Resources, and your Help button. These will be key in navigating Blackboard. Let's look at Course Information. Under Course Information, there are some very important and key pieces of material. Let's start with your syllabus. The syllabus is designed to give you the grading policy, instructor information, general information about the class, and probably most importantly, your course schedule. The course schedule is broken down by weeks, and within those weeks have corresponding chapters and assignments. I'll give you a little reminder after each unit of when these assignments and quizzes or discussions are due. Each one is set up very similar, and all of this will correspond to your weekly information folder or chapter information folder over here. Let's go back to the general course information. Under course information is also the final portfolio project information. In this course, there is no cumulative exam, but there is a research paper that's required, and this will serve as your final exam. Under final exam information, you will find general instructions. Please read this first. Your due date is given, and this will tell you what is expected in your final project. If it's been a while since you've written a paper or planned a project, please see How to Plan a Project. I've also provided your grading rubric so that you can see just how well all your progress is coming for that grade you want on your final paper. Now let's go back to course information. Under course information, there are also links to the CPCC library, navigation, and research videos. This will help you find research materials for your project. There are also downloads for plugins. This will be helpful if your computer isn't exactly up to date on all the latest platforms so that you can run the materials we have in Blackboard. Now let's look at your weekly folders. Remember, weekly folders correspond to your syllabus. Within weekly folders, all the folders and chapters appear as the time comes for them to be available. What you see are all the chapters in our example. But when you go into Blackboard for the first time, you will only see the first chapters. That's because this is the only one or only ones available at that time. Let's open the first one. Under each of these chapter folders, you will find chapter information, learning objectives, PowerPoints, and assignment designated by the clipboard. For the assignment, you simply click on the title, and this opens up the full assignment. When you are ready to post your assignment, open the assignment, type your answer or answers in the assignment box, or you have the option of creating a Microsoft Word document file for your assignment and uploading it here. And then save all of your changes. There is also a discussion link within your weekly folder. Clicking on the title will link you back to the discussion board for the week. There is also a quiz with each chapter. Click on the title to open the quiz and begin. This is a one-shot only for the quiz, so make sure you're ready to take this before you open that title. Let's just go back and look at a couple of other chapters to compare and show you how similar Blackboard is. How about Chapter 17? There are learning objectives, a PowerPoint, an assignment, a quiz, and there's also something called Links of Interest for Chapter 17. This is additional information that may help you be successful in the class, but is not required or necessary. Under your My Grades tab, you will begin to see grades appear as you turn in each assignment and I grade it and get it back to you. Please remember, this class is a weighted class as far as grades are concerned, so you will not see a point system for accumulation. Please do not be confused. Your Instructor tab simply gives you information about me and how to contact me. My Resources tab opens for resources for students at CPCC. And your Help tab. This opens resources for e-learning and student support. So if that technology becomes too difficult or just won't work for you, please open this tab and contact the help desk at CPCC. I hope this brief overview of Blackboard has been helpful, and I wish you all the best success in this course.